Lain na rembay, rembay. Dadong. Phải được chứ. Rồi. Này tay na rembay nang sar lagi.
Rembay. And I'm very happy. My moral support is with the students because they are fighting not only for their benefits, but also for the benefit of all the people, especially even the state beyond Meghalaya, like Tripura, Manipur, South Assam, and even this Mizoram also, they are benefited from this movement. And I saw these army people also, they respect the agitation of the students. So I'm very, very happy that my support, my moral support is all with them. And they only fight for the cause of our East Jaintia peoples in particular, but in general for the whole regions of this part, easternmost part of Meghalaya and northeastern state. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.